Using NetView software, I have already transferred raw GNSS data from a Triumph 1 and 3 Triumph VS receivers to my computer. I stored them in folder NV22. In this section, I'll show you how to import these files to Justin and process them. In Justin, we have toolbar, project pane, and map pane. First, we need to open a new project by clicking this blank sheet or click Project and click New. Give a name to this project, like Project 22, and specify a path for it. Next, we need to import our GNSS data to this project. Click Project, Import Folder, and browse to NV22 that has our GNSS data, and click OK. Data will get imported, and the progress is shown in this dialog box. When data is imported, the result will be shown in the project pane with raw observation data sets, and in the map pane with sites and vectors. Next, we go to View and Receiver List. In the receiver list, Triumph was our base, and the 3 Triumph VS receivers were our 3 rovers. For them, we click their rover boxes. All of our data sets were static data sets. So we right-click on each and look at their properties and make sure that static is checked in all of them. Now we are ready to process the data. To process the data, check the Process button in the bottom, and then right-click on Vector and select Process All. Processing will start, and this batch process window will show the progress. Vector from base to P11 is processing now. Now, second vector is being processed, which is base to Triumph VS named P22. And finally, the last vector, base to Triumph VS receiver P33. In each process, we had loading and float processing and fixed processing steps. When process is done, you see the summary of this process in this log file. Of interest in this summary is the fix ratio that we have 99.99% in one vector, 100% in the other vector, and 99.4% for the third one. Anything above 85% is very good. Also note that 2% of data was discarded on the first vector, and the same 2% on the second, and third on the third, which indicates it's very good data set. Now we can close this summary window and see our processing results in our map pane by clicking on this up arrow, which shows the entire network. We selected this data set on 3 zero baselines to show the level of noise and accuracy in our data and in our processing. As you see in the scale below here, the accuracy of our data and our processing is a tiny fraction of a millimeter.